crypto credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. It's 1:49, Saturday, April 16, 2022. Fall from Halloween, but I'm getting ready. We're gonna bring Spooked Beans to the web to the channel today. It's another baked beans repeat. I wanted to add this one to the channel because it's funded with Phantom, and Phantom is like $1 and something a share. So I just wanted to see how this one would operate off of Phantom compared to AVAX or BNB. So I just wanted to add a little diversity. I probably will limit this probably to $1,000 out of my pocket, and then same strategy, rebake 6 days. Guys, you just got to be careful out there. It's a lot of repeats coming out. So just do your DD and see if you can pick the right ones and just live with the results. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I'm doing on YouTube to make cash flow. Because, I mean, everything you do is risky. Like some people say, hey, man, the stock market is not as risky as crypto. Listen, everything you do is risk. It's amazing how people analyze one risk compared to the other one. Getting up out your bed, getting in your car is risk. So until you actually understand risk management and understand the only way you're going to get ahead is by taking some risk, then you might as well just save your money. That's losing 7% a year to inflation. So that's risky too. So doing nothing is risky. So I'm just an active investor. I invest. I'm heavily invested in the stock market as well, but I like to add a little diversity. So you have to go through these contracts and learn the codes and see if you can pick out one that has some longevity. So at least with these platforms, they're on smart chain contracts. I mean, it gives it an appearance that it could last longer, but anything can happen, guys. I'll be limiting my deposits on this one to $1,000. If something were to happen to Spooked Beans, I'm still going to eat. So if yours is $100, you put $100 in. Like, you're not supposed to be stressing over investing. You put in what you can afford to lose. So I just started this one with $100. It just transferred over. One thing that I want to bring to you guys' attention that I don't want you to make a mistake on, make sure when you're funding Spooked Beans with Phantom, you're actually funding it on the Phantom network instead of Ethereum. So a couple people have tried to fund this account and they've done it on the wrong network. So let me show you. I use Simple Swipe. So let's say if you're sending Bitcoin, just make sure it's on the Phantom network instead of Ethereum, so your funds don't get lost. There's a way to get them, but if you can just, even on lost funds, we can recapture them. But make sure you're doing it on the FTM and on the Phantom network instead of the Ethereum network, because that's getting some people caught up. So currently it has 696,364 contracts, and same pretty much baked beans repeat. This one Deb is only 2%. Tokenomics is copying baked beans. It's a copycat. So I like this. So there's a 1% fee that goes to rug insurance for free rug souls. So that's actually a little bit more insurance. But guys, with any of these platforms, you're just taking a risk. I'd rather take some of my funds and risk making money instead of letting it sit in an account losing. That's just my opinion. That's how I operate. Crypto may not be for you. If it's not, then find something that is. I'll go into some videos on some things that are less riskier, but of course with less risk, less reward. Just depends on what you're trying to do. I take a percentage of my funds and I put it into these platforms, and I win more than I lose. But like I said, you have to do what's best for you. So let's go into the contract here. It already has a value of almost 800,000. And this has been out for like a week. You got 20,000 transactions in and out. Someone just put 3 phantoms in a little while ago. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my link in the description. Phantom. I'm going to add about 1,000 to Spooked Beans and see where this takes us. 8% a day, just like baked beans, and we'll live with the results. So just want to add a new one to the platform. If you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment section. Y'all get some comments in here, some likes. So I'd love to have you subscribe, comment, likes. Enjoy your Saturday.